Good morning. Today is a special edition. This is chair yoga with my grandmother Alba, my favorite person. We're going to start today in a seated position with a chair. You could use an extra blanket for some padding if you'd like. We're going to start with our feet flat on the floor, hands to your thighs or knees, and a nice long spine, sitting up straight. Make sure your lower back is right at the base of your chair there. And you can start with your eyes closed. Just checking in with your breath today. And begin to deepen your breath. Give yourself a moment just to arrive here on your chair. And blinking your eyes open. We'll start with some neck stretching. Bring your right ear to your right shoulder. Little neck stretch. Take a breath. And you can play with the angle, rolling your chin around and down. Just finding that angle. Right ear to right shoulder. And we'll go back to neutral. We'll take the other side, left ear to left shoulder. Remember to breathe. And you can roll your chin down and around, playing with the angle in that stretch. Just an option here. Take one more breath. And coming back to neutral. We'll do the other side, this time with our left arm extended out. Extend your left arm 45 degrees. There you go. Now bring your right ear to your right shoulder. There you go. You feel the difference? Mm-hmm. Good. Breathe. Just one more breath. And we'll go back to neutral. Left hand to left thigh. Extend your right arm out at that 45 degree. And bring your left ear to your left shoulder. Same stretch on the other side. Breathe. Here for one more full breath. And coming back to center, neutral. And we'll bring your right hand to your left thigh. Cross it. Reach your left arm up and reach it over to the side. Take a breath here. Reach a little further. Take one more breath. And left arm back up. Bring it back down. Let's switch it out. Left hand to left thigh. Right arm up. Nice. Take a breath. And reach over for that side body. Take a breath. Reach a little further. And one more breath here. And back up to center. Back to neutral. Let's take the other side with a twist. Right hand to right thigh. Bring your left hand to your chair. Little twist here. Get some length and look over your back shoulder, Grandma. You feel the twist? Mm-hmm. Take a breath. Work that gentle twist here for one more deep breath. And let's go back to center. Let's take the other side. Left hand to left thigh. Right hand to the back of your chair. Work that same twist. Gaze over the back shoulder. Breathe. Get some length here and work that gentle twist. And one more breath. And coming back to neutral. Hands to knees now. Let's scooch off the back of your chair just a couple inches forward on your chair. And so you're sitting flat. Hands to knees. We'll do that cat-cow. Inhale, arch your back, gaze up. Exhale, tuck your chin, round your back. There you go. Inhale, cow, open up, arch. Exhale, cat, round your back. Two more like that. Inhale to cow. Exhale to cat, round. Nice. One more, Grandma. Inhale, open up. Exhale, round back. And go to neutral here. And now we'll work our shoulders. Bring your shoulders up to your ears. Roll them back, down, and forward. We'll do that a few rounds. Up, back, down, and forward. One more time. Up, back, down. And let's switch it now. Up, forward, down, and back. Two more times. Up, forward, down, and back. One more. Up, forward, down, and back. Nice. Knees wide now. Hands to knees. And on your next inhale, sweep your arms high. Breath in. Exhale, hands to heart center. We'll do that two more times. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands to heart. Last one. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands to heart. Now bring your hands to your knees. And we'll take a little bit more twisting. Get some length here. Sit up. Inhale. Exhale, gaze over your right shoulder. Gaze over that back shoulder. Take a breath. And come back to neutral. Take a breath. And take the other side. Gaze over your left shoulder. Take one breath. And back to center. Let's do that on each side one more time. To the right. Take a breath. Back to center. And to the left. Take a breath. And back to center. And bring your feet closer to touch now. We'll cross your left ankle over your right knee. Getting into the hips now. You can use your hand or forearm to push down that knee for some extra depth. You should feel a good stretch in your IT, your glute. We'll be here for a few breaths. And you can send your breath towards the tension. Send it towards that hip, towards the glute. Breathing with intention. Just a few more here for the hips. One more full breath. And now you're simply going to finish that cross. Cross your leg over. And we'll take a little twist. Right hand to left knee. Working that twist one more time. Gaze back. We'll be here for 2 deep breaths. One more like that. And slowly coming out of the twist. Grab your left knee and uncross your leg. Bring your left knee towards your chest. And roll your ankle out. Take that in both directions. And lower your leg. Grab, interlace your hands below your thigh. Still your left leg, Grandma, your left leg. Pick that up. Now extend your leg. There you go. And back to center. We'll do that 2 more times. Extend it out. And to center. 1 more time out. And to center. Lower your leg. And now we'll switch it. Cross your right ankle over your left knee. There you go. For that hip stretch. Again, if you want to add some extra depth, you can push down there. Breathe. You can notice a difference in left to right. Just notice where you're holding most of your tension. Stay with your breath. Nice and deep. Full breaths here. We'll do 2 more. And again, you can send that breath towards your hip. And from here, just cross your right leg over your left. There you go. Setting up for that twist. Left hand to right knee. Go for that twist. Take a breath. And 1 more breath here. And coming back to center. Hands to your left knee. Pick up your leg. Uncross. Reground. Now pick up that knee. Pull it into your chest. And we'll roll out that ankle. Nice and slow. Breathe. Take both directions with your ankle. 1 more breath. And lower your leg. We'll do that 1 more time. This time extending that leg out. Extend it out. Ooh, actually, let's lower. Re-grip underneath your thigh. Still your right leg, Grandma. Lift up that leg. Now we'll extend it out. Extend and back. Breathe. 1 more. Extend. Out. And last one here. Extend it. And lower out. Let it drop. Hands to your knees. Comfortable seat. Get comfortable. And you can bring your hands to your thighs. You could do palms down for a little bit more grounding. Or for some more receiving energy, you can bring palms up. And I invite you to close your eyes and check back in with your breath here. And thank yourself for showing up. And I'll guide us through some breath work. It'll be a 5-second inhale and a 5-second exhale. No breath hold. Take a full breath in and a clearing breath out. Now inhale for 5. 2, inhale, 3, 4, 5. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 5. Fill your lungs. 4, 5. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last round. Full breath in. Fill up. 4, 5. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a breath. Let it go. Just a moment here in stillness. And blink your eyes open. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you guys on the next one. Anything to say to the people, Grandma?
The best is yet to come. Thank you, Jesus.
Thanks, guys. See you next time.